Has this ever happened to you? It's a sound we all dread. A strange rattle, a sudden hiss, or that glowing light on your dashboard. Most of us feel one thing: powerless.
Ignoring it costs you money. Guessing costs you safety. And walking into a mechanic shop without a clue? That costs you the most.
Stop running on empty. Welcome to Learn Auto Care, your roadmap to mastering your vehicle. We've distilled decades of automotive expertise into one essential guide.
From understanding your braking system to speaking the mechanic's language, we cover it all. You'll learn how to prevent costly breakdowns, retain your car's resale value, and most importantly, keep your family safe. Whether you want a digital ebook for your phone or a rugged softcover for your glove box, we've got you covered. Join thousands of drivers who have traded confusion for confidence, because knowledge makes you dangerous to high repair bills and safe on the road. Don't wait for a crisis. Take control of your car today.
Visit www.learnautocare.com and order your copy now. Your car and your wallet will thank you.